Hi, Jeremiah. It's Evan, and I just wanted to let you know that I've been studying math since I was your age, and I'm very old. And I really wanted to let you know how difficult fractions are, and why, if you understand fractions, you have the key to all of mathematics. You see, fractions are the first time after you learn about numbers and counting and adding and subtracting and multiplying and dividing that numbers have two properties. They have their value and their representation. And when you learn about the positive numbers and the negative numbers and numbers greater than 10 and numbers less than 100, they only have one representation. We only know about 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But all of a sudden, when you go to fractions, value and representation become two different things. See, 1 isn't just 1. It's also 1 over 1. It's also 2 over 2 and 3 over 3 and 4 over 4 and 5 over 5 and 6 over 6. It's 100 over 100. It's 1,000 over 1,000. There are an infinite number of ways to write the number 1. And we use those different representations because only some of those representations can be added. And now, for the first time in your mathematical career, adding, which was always easy, is more difficult than multiplying. And dividing seems weird. And there are things called reciprocals and inverses, and all of this makes up fractions. But when you understand fractions, you have the beginnings of group theory. And when you have group theory, you have, quite literally, the secret to the universe. So Shayla and I will be talking to you on Friday and telling you more about the wonderful world of fractions. But in the meantime, know that you are struggling with some of the great ideas of history. And I'm sure you're going to learn it well. Have a good night. Bye-bye.